Stop right there. If you're lining your eyes the same way you did 20 years ago, you're actually dragging your eyes down and adding years to your face without realizing it. A makeup artist who works backstage at fashion shows showed me 7 specific eyeliner mistakes that make mature eyes look droopy and tired. And mistake number 3 is the one almost everyone makes every single morning. I'm showing you exactly how to fix all 7 right now. Welcome to Glow at Every Age, where your eyes deserve makeup that lifts them, not drags them down. If you're new here, you've found the place where we make beauty work for mature faces, not against them. To my wonderful returning viewers, it's so good to have you back. Today we're fixing the eyeliner mistakes that are aging your eyes. Before we start, hit that like button right now because your eyes are about to look more awake and lifted than they have in years. Subscribe if you haven't already and turn on notifications so you catch every beauty tip. Now let's dive into these 7 eyeliner mistakes and how to fix them immediately. Mistake 1. Lining your entire lower lash line. Why this ages you. A continuous dark line all along your lower lash line closes off your eyes visually. It creates a barrier that makes your eyes look smaller, more tired, and sunken. As eyes naturally become smaller with age, emphasizing the entire lower lash line makes this worse. The fix: either skip the lower lash line entirely, or line only the outer third of your lower lash line. Start at the outer corner and draw a short line inward, about 1/3 of the way across. This defines your eyes without closing them off. Use a softer color on the lower lash line if you use liner there at all. Brown, bronze, or gray are less harsh than black. And always smudge the line slightly with a brush or cotton swab so it's soft, not a hard line. This one change opens up your eyes immediately and makes them look bigger and more awake. Mistake 2. Extending your liner downward at the outer corner. Why this ages you. When your liner follows your natural lash line all the way to the end and points downward, it emphasizes any natural drooping. Your eyes follow that downward line visually, creating a sad or tired appearance. The fix: instead of following your natural lash line down, angle your liner slightly upward at the outer corner. You don't need a dramatic cat eye or wing. Just a subtle upward angle lifts your eyes. Here's how. As you approach the outer corner of your eye, start angling the liner slightly up instead of following the lash line down. Think of it as drawing toward the end of your eyebrow rather than toward your cheek. Even a small upward angle creates lift. Stop your liner before it goes too far into the outer corner. Ending it slightly before the very edge prevents any downward drag. This technique creates an instant lifting effect that makes your eyes look more awake and youthful. Mistake 3. Using only black eyeliner. Why this ages you. Black eyeliner can be too harsh against mature skin, especially if your skin tone has lightened or your hair has gone gray. The stark contrast can look severe and actually emphasize fine lines and wrinkles around your eyes. The fix: switch to softer eyeliner colors that still define but don't overpower. Dark brown, charcoal gray, deep plum, or navy are all beautiful alternatives to black. If you have lighter hair or fair skin, brown or gray will look more natural and flattering. If you have darker skin or hair, deep plum or navy can add interest while still being softer than black. You can still use black liner if you love it, but apply it more softly. Use a pencil and smudge it, or use an angled brush with eyeshadow instead of liquid liner for a softer effect. The softer color creates definition without harshness, making your eyes look lifted and bright instead of heavily lined and tired. Mistake 4. Lining your waterline with dark colors. Why this ages you. Dark liner on the waterline makes your eyes look significantly smaller. It cuts into the white of your eye, reducing the visible eye area. This is especially aging because eyes naturally appear smaller as we age. The fix: either skip the waterline entirely, or use a nude or white eyeliner pencil on your waterline instead. A nude or white liner on the waterline actually makes your eyes look bigger and more awake. It brightens the whites of your eyes and creates the illusion of larger, more open eyes. Choose a soft beige, champagne, or white pencil specifically made for the waterline. Apply it gently on the inner rim. This technique is called tightlining with a light color, and it's transformative. If you feel like your makeup isn't complete without defining your waterline, use the lightest touch of a soft brown on the outer third only, and nude or white on the rest. This creates brightness and openness that makes your eyes look significantly more youthful. Mistake 5. Creating thick, heavy lines. Why this ages you. Thick liner takes up lid space, making your eyes look smaller. When eyelids develop a natural hood with age, thick liner gets hidden in the crease or creates a heavy, droopy appearance. The fix. Use thin, delicate lines that define without overwhelming. The goal is to enhance your lash line, not create a bold graphic line. For the upper lid, keep your liner as close to the lash line as possible and as thin as you can manage. If you have hooded lids, you might see very little of the liner when your eyes are open. And that's okay. The definition it creates at the lash line still makes a difference. Consider tightlining, which means lining between your lashes at the base rather than on top of your lid. This creates definition without taking up lid space. Use a sharp pencil or a fine-tipped liquid liner or felt-tip pen for precision. The thinner and more precise your line, the more lifted and defined your eyes look. Quick pause. We're 5 mistakes in and I need to know, have you been making any of these mistakes? Be honest in the comments. And if these fixes are already making sense, hit that like button one more time. Share this with a friend who wears eyeliner. Subscribe if you haven't because we solve beauty challenges every week. Now let's finish with the final 2 mistakes. Mistake 6. Applying liner on bare, unprepared lids. Why this ages you. Mature eyelids can be more textured or have fine lines. Eyeliner applied directly on bare skin can settle into those lines, smudge throughout the day, or look uneven. This emphasizes texture and makes your eye area look less smooth and youthful. The fix. Always prep your eyelids before applying liner. Use an eyeshadow primer or a tiny amount of concealer on your lids first. Set it with a light dusting of translucent powder or a neutral eyeshadow. This creates a smooth canvas for your liner. It helps the liner glide on more easily, stay in place all day, and look more even and polished. For extra staying power, especially if you have oily lids or your liner tends to smudge, apply a thin layer of matching eyeshadow over your liner once you've applied it. This sets the liner and prevents it from moving. Prepped lids make all the difference between liner that looks fresh all day and liner that smudges and settles into lines by afternoon. Mistake 7. Not filling in between your lashes. Why this matters. As we age, eyelashes can become thinner or sparser. If you line on top of your lid but don't fill in between the lashes, you see gaps of skin between the liner and lashes. This makes your liner look obviously drawn on rather than naturally enhancing your lashes. The fix. Use a pencil liner or gel liner with an angled brush to gently fill in the spaces between your upper lashes. This is called tightlining, and it's one of the most effective techniques for mature eyes. Gently lift your upper lid and carefully apply liner to the base of your lashes, filling in the gaps. You're not drawing a line on your lid, you're coloring in the spaces between lashes at the root. This creates the illusion of fuller, thicker lashes and makes your eyes look more defined without obvious liner. The definition looks natural and integrated with your lashes. If you have sensitive eyes or this feels uncomfortable, you can achieve a similar effect by using a dark eyeshadow with an angled brush pushed into the lash line. This technique creates subtle definition that makes your lashes look fuller and your eyes more awake. Let me give you quick bonus tips to make your eyeliner even more flattering. First, always curl your lashes before applying liner. Curled lashes open up your eyes and create lift. The liner then enhances that lift. Second, finish with mascara on your upper lashes only, or very lightly on lower lashes. Heavy mascara on lower lashes can weigh down your eyes. Focus the mascara on upper lashes to create lift. Third, pair your eyeliner with a slightly lighter eyeshadow in your crease. This adds dimension and prevents your liner from being the only dark element, which can look harsh. Fourth, use good lighting when applying liner. Natural daylight or a well-lit mirror helps you see what you're actually creating. Finally, practice makes perfect. These techniques might feel different at first, but they become second nature quickly. Give yourself time to adjust to the new approach. There you have it. 7 eyeliner mistakes that make older eyes look droopy and exactly how to fix them. Don't line your entire lower lash line. Angle your liner upward at the outer corner, not downward. Use softer colors than harsh black. Skip dark liner on your waterline, or use nude instead. Keep your lines thin and delicate, not thick and heavy. Prep your lids before applying liner. And fill in between your lashes for natural-looking definition. If these fixes just transformed how you think about eyeliner, smash that like button one more time. Subscribe to Glow at Every Age if you haven't already, because we're solving beauty challenges for mature faces every single week. Turn on notifications so you never miss these tips. Drop a comment right now and tell me which mistake you've been making or which fix you're most excited to try. I read every comment and I love hearing from you. Remember, the right eyeliner technique doesn't hide your age. It enhances your beautiful eyes and makes them look more awake, lifted, and vibrant. You deserve to look and feel amazing. Keep glowing at every age, and I'll see you in the next video.